Marami tayong matututunan dito. My name is Raquel. I'm 50 years old and I'm working now as a financial advisor. So biggest learning ko dito sa event, sa experience ko kanina na whatever happens, whatever it takes, hindi tayo dapat susuko. Kung ano man challenges na ma-experience natin, continuous lang tayo. Continuous learning and learning from our mistakes and be strong. Sobrang saya kasi it's my first time na maka-attend ng ganitong klaseng event. So ito, sobrang great experience talaga, hindi ko makakalimutan and na-inspire talaga ako na ma-motivate. So ang coaches talaga is very supportive talaga from the start. So talagang as in, sobrang patient, tapos talagang nakikita naman natin continuous yung training, pero nakikita ko talaga na talagang full support lahat ng coaches natin, and even into this event talagang nandun lahat, teamwork. Sana next time, marami pang maka-attend kasi marami tayong matututunan dito and may apply natin dito sa business natin. And for sure naman talaga, whatever it takes, gagawin talaga natin to achieve our goal, especially for our first million. Let's go! Click na!